MLToys here to talk to you about our revolutionary Paragon motor gearboxes. These motor gearboxes are for teardrop-shaped vehicles. A lot of vehicles use this shape of gearbox today with the hex clover driver design to them. And we're going to talk to you about why these are so revolutionary to the ride-on industry and will make your car so much better. So first of all, we're using a very strong casing with these and 775 motors. Some vehicles have 550 motors, which are slower and have less torque. Some do come with 775 motors, but none of them are going to have the power that these put out. A lot of people talk about the RPMs of a motor and try to use that as a comparison, but there is a lot more information to a motor and what actual wheel speed you'll get. These are well proven to be the fastest motors that there are. These are very similar to the 775 motors that we already make for other vehicles. We just had to customize them to fit the Paragon vehicles, Paragon gearboxes well. These motors have ball bearings on each end, not just bushings. That helps them run a lot cooler. They also have fans on the inside, so that'll help them run a lot cooler. We recognize that a lot of the vehicles these are being used in are very heavy vehicles and four-wheel drive vehicles, so we wanted to make sure that these not just have speed, but have enough torque to get you where you want to go. More than capable motors to do what you want to do. Now, the next thing on the gearboxes is going to be on the inside. Huge difference on the inside of these gearboxes. First of all, we went to a hardened steel first gear on these gearboxes, and there are ball bearings that it runs on. The ball bearings keep the shaft from heating up, which then melts the gearbox housing. The hardened steel gear obviously isn't going to strip out. Most common thing that we see with these gearboxes is the hardened or the first gear strip out on them. The other thing we did with this gear is we changed the gear ratio. Most of the teardrop style gearboxes come with 10, maybe 11, maybe 12 tooth pinion gears. We went up to a 13 tooth pinion gear and a smaller tooth gear for the first gear. That gives you the most top speed possible out of this gearbox. This is going to get you, again, more net wheel speed than any other teardrop style gearbox. We did hardened steel again on the second gear, and on the final drive gear we have a massive ball bearing to keep this from wobbling and wearing out, so you get a lot of strength in this. Now, one of the other things that we noticed with a lot of these gearboxes is the axle hole size is different from vehicle to vehicle, and sometimes not very specific. So when you order a set of these, we're going to give you these bushings to put in. These slide. Let me take the one that's assembled here. These just simply slide in. They're Delrin bushings, and you drop them into place, and they just help fill some of the void. Some vehicles, you won't use these at all. Some you'll put this in, and you'll get a perfectly snug fit to your axle. And some you'll actually still have a little bit of play, and that's okay to have that bit of play. The instructional video will go over that more in depth, but these Delrin bushings will help everything run a lot smoother. These are, again, going to be the fastest, highest torque, and strongest gearboxes that you can get for any ride-on vehicle using the teardrop shape. And we hope you guys have a great time with them.